What should you look for in a managed VPS hosting service? A virtual private server offers a desirable balance of cost and features for a value-conscious owner. Managed VPS hosting takes it one step further with the addition of managed technical support services. Here are some things that you should look for in a managed VPS hosting service. Infrastructure on offer. This is where the most cost-cutting happens, and unusually low prices usually mean low quality. Check the quality of infrastructure being offered to determine whether it's right for your website. Number of plans offered. Most hosting providers do not usually offer many plans to keep things simple and manageable. Check all the plans on offer to find one that suits your purpose. Do not compromise here. Level of support offered. Technical support is a crucial function that could save your website data during an emergency. Ensure that your VPS hosting provider offers 24/7 live technical support for instant action. Maintenance and update schedule. Regular maintenance of a hosting server helps catch issues before they can cause problems. Check the maintenance and update frequency of a hosting provider before signing on. Customer reviews. Customer reviews can be true indicators of a hosting platform's quality of service. Check maximum customer reviews to get an unbiased sense of what you should expect. HostGator's Managed VPS Hosting offers complete server management with 24/7 software and application support. Give your website a versatile and powerful hosting platform that is consistent as well as fully customizable.